Day one of this white glove install at the Harbor 171 Torre Norte begins with a very early morning for our delivery crews. Loading and offloading 2 full moving trucks of furnishings, artwork, appliances, and decor accessories. Each item is marked on our manifests, handled with care, and hand-delivered to the unit. Upstairs, our install crew waits to receive and place the merchandise in its proper place. A detailed interior design plan was created over a year ago for these Nashville, Tennessee investors, and today it's all coming together. Original signed artwork from this family's personal collection was selected and curated to create this classic coastal beach house in the sky. Bespoke touches like handmade pillows and high-traffic indoor-outdoor rugs are just a few of the details that make this decor plan so special. This spectacular 4-bedroom corner unit is set directly on oceanfront, taking full advantage of the most vibrant beach strip in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. This vast wraparound corner terrace is the perfect place to perch and survey the entire sweep of the Bay of Banderas. Take a look and follow along.